Okay, here is how we are going to do a little study of our colors. So first what we're going to do is we're going to only dip the tip, which is the hair of the brush, into the paint, and you can also wipe a little bit of it so in case you get kind of a big blob. And we have our primary colors, which are red, and then in order to prevent too much of this paint coming, I was gonna say red, yellow, and blue, you need to wipe up as much of it as you can and then come onto the bottom here and swish. And then you need to pull out the water from the bristles, and then you can go on to another color. When you do yellow, sometimes there's certain paints that could use a dot of white in them, so I'm going to get a little bit of white. Sometimes it makes it a little bit more opaque. And swish. Sometimes if you just use the paper towel, especially if you're going to a darker color, you don't necessarily have to clean in the water. And then we have blue. Now we need to get our secondary colors. So I'm going to start with a weaker of the two colors, and because yellow is lighter, we need less of that color. I mean, more of that color. More. Okay, so look, I'm going to scoop it up like it's yogurt on a spoon and twist, or a soup, and twist. Now I can squeeze. It's a lighter color, it's not really going to damage the other color very much. And then I'm going to just get one little scoop of the red. And then you can see it's between these two colors, and we have an O here, so I bet you can guess which color is coming next. And we have orange. Then we're going to take this weak color again. Yellow is weaker than blue. Scoop, scoop, and twist, scoop and twist. And I'm going to give it a little squeeze. Get my little dot of blue and mix it slowly in, because blue will take over. It is a darker color. It's stronger than the yellow. And now we have a green, maybe a little darker. Let's see what happens. Okay, that looks pretty good. Otherwise, we're going to get to blue-green if I keep adding too much blue. There is the green. And now, this is a little bit tricky. This red is a little bit of a hot red, or a warm red, but so it will kind of make the purple a little bit of a muddy purple. It won't be as brilliant. Okay, so take a little blue, and so it looks kind of like a brownish purple as we're doing this. If I add some white, you can see that it looks more purple. Okay, but it's so dark it's hard to tell. That it's actually purple or violet is the oh, and look, I did just make a tint, so I can start with this dark color. Tint rhymes with mint, so mint is a light green. So as you add more white paint to it, you can go lighter and lighter. More white. Now it's barely colored. That's a tint. And now let's try a shade. Maybe I'll try that with green. Shades is, it's like when you wear shades, they have some black in the glass material. So we'll add a little bit of black here. A little bit more. A little bit more. It's almost all black now because black is very strong. I guess I added a little bit too much to begin with, so we'll just make the rest pretty black. It's blackish green, which is a shade. And that is how you can paint all sorts of different colors. And we already have brown in here. You can also, if you want, make some complementary colors and mix them together to make more browns. So we have red and green, which makes a brown. Okay, and so same with blue and orange, that will make a brown, and yellow and purple will make a type of brown.